Click View, Link, Link Views, Center and Scale. Navigate in either the map or scene, and the other updates to match. Click the Crater Lake View tab at the top of the map. The tab turns blue, indicating it is the active map, and the Contents pane shows its layers. Click the Crater Lake 3D tab to activate it, in order to view or modify its layers. Activate the Crater Lake map, and click the Vents layer to highlight it. Click Feature Layer, Appearance, Drawing, Symbology. Experiment with rearranging the Symbology pane and the Catalog pane. Click the Catalog pane and make sure that the Project tab is selected, showing the contents of the project. Expand the Toolboxes entry. Each project has a special toolbox for storing custom tools created by the user. This one is currently empty. Expand Databases. It shows an icon labeled Crater Lake or craterlake.gdb, the home geodatabase that stores datasets related to this project. Expand the Crater Lake database to see the data inside. Mouse over each dataset to see a description of the data type, and note the icon used to show it. In the Catalog pane, expand the Styles entry to view the different symbol styles associated with this project. Expand the Folders entry, which contains shortcuts to data sources used in the project. It currently shows one shortcut, the Crater Lake project folder itself. Use Project Save or the Save icon on the Quick Access menu to save the project. It is smart to save the project periodically. Click on the Crater Lake View tab. In the Contents pane, right-click the Vents layer and choose Attribute Table. It may appear docked or floating. Use your new skills to arrange it as desired. Right-click the Faults layer and open its attribute table also. Close the tables when finished looking at them. In the Contents pane, right-click the Vents layer and choose Properties. Click the General entry, which can be used to set the layer name and provides another way to modify the visibility range discovered earlier. Change the layer name to Volcanic Vents. This name is a cosmetic name for the layer only. It does not affect the stored data. Click the Metadata tab. Ideally, data sets include information about what it is and where it came from. Click the Source entry. It gives basic information about the storage format and the location of the dataset in the project's home geodatabase. Click OK. Notice that the new name has appeared in the Contents pane. Make sure the Crater Lake map view is active and turn off the lake layer. Use the Crater Lake Geology checkbox to turn the group layer off, then on, and examine the effect on the map. Expand each of the layers in the group to see their legends. Examine the effects as individual layers are turned off and on. Collapse the individual layers to hide the symbols, but leave them all checked. Turn off the Crater Lake Geology group layer and the hillshade layer. Choose Map, Layer, Base Map, Imagery to switch to the Imagery base map. Zoom in. Notice that more detailed imagery with a higher resolution is now displayed. Zoom in to about 1 to 10,000 until individual trees are visible. Switch to the Crater Lake 3D scene and turn off all the layers. Switch to the Imagery base map and explore the lake and Wizard Island. Examine the View, Link Views button. It should currently be blue, indicating that the views are linked. Note the icons on the View tabs, which also indicate linkage. Click the Link Views button to remove the link. Close the Crater Lake 3D scene by clicking the X on its View tab. In Contents, right-click the icon for the Crater Lake map and choose Properties. Click the General section. Change the rotation setting to 0. Click OK. Click Map, Layer, Base Map, Topographic to return to the original base map. In Contents, make sure the Volcanic Vents layer is highlighted and click Feature Layer, Appearance, Drawing, Symbology. The Symbology pane opens. In the Symbology pane, leave the Symbology set to Single Symbol. Click on the symbol representation, black triangle, to open the Format Point Symbol pane. Note that it has two tabs, a gallery for selecting the base symbol, and properties for modifying how the symbol appears. In the Gallery tab, choose a different symbol, such as Diamond 3. The map updates to the new symbol. Click on the Properties tab and examine the symbol settings. Click the icon for each panel and examine the settings available in each. Select the first panel, named Symbol. Expand both entries, Appearance and Halo, and view their settings. Change the color, size, or angle of the symbol, and then click Apply for the changes to take effect on the map. To start over, click the Gallery tab to return to the array of symbols. Use the Gallery and Properties tabs to make the symbols 12-point pink stars. Click the circled arrow to return to the main Symbology pane. Close the Symbology pane by clicking the X in its upper right corner. In Contents, right-click the Volcanic Vents layer name to open a context menu. Choose the Symbology entry in the menu to open the Symbology pane. In Contents, left-click the Vents layer symbol to open the Format Point Symbol tab of the Symbology pane. In Contents, right-click the Vents layer symbol to select a different color. Close the Symbology pane. We will learn more about it in Chapter 2.